Okay, today we put in this Lippert thin shade into my Grand Design. All I had to use was that. I did have somebody help me with the glass. Instructions were kind of useless. I watched a YouTube video to get it in, and mine had the 16 or whatever screws that came out. There's the old one. I didn't have to use the plastic clips, I used those. Sorry about walking back and forth. When I took this out of the box, this thing was stuck together. I could not pull it apart for the life of me. Do not get rid of these, even if you have the screws. So I used these to get the window apart so I could actually get it into the camper. Here it is from the outside. And I'm gonna go inside and show you one thing I really don't like about it. Here we are on the inside. As you saw the car just go by, I can see what's out there. I can see who's out front. It lets a little bit more light into my RV. Overall, I would say this thing is a 10 out of 10, except for one thing, and I don't know if it's my RV or just RVs in general, is I have a screen door that is missing because of them. And I did just have a screen defender in there, and now I have no screen and I have no screen defender. They destroyed it, but that's a full-size Italian Mastiff Cane Corso, so it had no chance. I cannot close this shade. I'm sorry, I cannot close this shade because this screen is in my way. So the only way I can close this shade is to open the door, open the screen, separate them, and then open and close the shade. So this looks like it'll be more of a evening affair, where when we're getting ready for the evening or the sun goes down, we'll go ahead and close the shade, and then in the mornings we'll do it and we'll open it. But kind of a minor inconvenience. Not really sure if everyone's RV is like this. Maybe other people have noted this in their videos. I just never really dawned on me, didn't really hear about it before, didn't think about it, should have thought about it, because it's obvious when you close a door that you couldn't do that. But just one little thing. I don't know what I paid for this window. Bought it from Lippert store, or actually, I'm sorry, bought it from Camping World, and they delivered it to the house. So overall, everything, the whole experience was easy. I bought it online. They shipped it quick. All the parts were in the box, and like I said, you just kind of use those plastic clips if you have, if yours is stuck together. But other than that, I recommend it. It's just you're going to have to plan for the opening and closing. Thanks for watching.